Hello all, welcome to Wondershare EdrawMax. In this video, we'll learn about family relationship genograms. A genogram is a more robust and detailed version of a family tree. A genogram is created with symbols representing the gender, with various lines to illustrate relationships and the physical and physiological attributes of members in a family. First, let's see a few genogram symbols. Basic genogram symbols. These are the symbols for index person, male and female, institution, pet. Birth and death genogram symbols. These are the symbols depicting birth, age, and death. These are used for people who are deceased. Sexual orientation genogram symbols. Gay and lesbian, bisexual male and female, transgender, male to female and female to male. Pregnancy genogram symbols. This is used to symbolize a pregnant woman. And these are used for miscarriage, abortion, male and female stillbirth. Cultural background genogram symbols. Lived in more than 2 cultures. This symbol is used for immigrants. Genogram symbols for family relationships. This symbol is used for married couples. For married couples that have divorced. 2 individuals who will become a married couple based on some form of engagement, like exchanging rings. 2 individuals who are engaged and are living together. A married couple that is no longer living together. A married couple that is separated and is on their way to a legal divorce. 2 individuals who once lived together but have now broken their engagement and are separated. One of the spouses died during a marriage. You should only use this symbol when the surviving spouse has remarried. The marriage was legally annulled. 2 individuals are dating, but are not yet in a clear relationship like boyfriend or girlfriend. This symbol is used when one individual is abusing or has abused the other individual. This type of relationship is used especially when their child is the product of their relationship. Now let's learn how to draw a family relationship genogram diagram using EdrawMax. Step 1. Decide the purpose for making the diagram. A genogram can be used for different reasons, for finding patterns, traits, and predicting conditions. Step 2. Decide the number of generations to include. Usually, genograms span not less than 3 generations. Step 3. Gather information. Search out information on the members of your family. Usually a questionnaire or interviewing family members is a great way to get the data. Once all the necessary information is gathered, it'll be easy to draw the diagram. This genogram is like a family tree. It depicts all the important relationships within the family. Here we've included information for 4 generations. Now let's see how to draw the same. Navigate to File, click on New, select Education from the categories, and Science and Education from the subcategories. And now choose Genogram. Click on the plus icon to open a new drawing sheet. Drag and drop the required shapes on the drawing pane and change the dates accordingly. Now we'll add the relationship symbols. Continue to build the diagram as needed. Click on the library symbol and add the Connectors library found under the General category. Drag and drop the required connector and adjust accordingly. Select Fit to Drawing under the Page Layout tab. Uncheck Grid Lines under the View tab. To export the file to PDF format, click on File and select Export and Send. And now click on PDF, PS, or EPS and choose the required option. And save the file. Now you can see the genogram diagram has been exported to PDF format. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos.